Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the facts. Copy the full low-level fatal error message and note when it occurs. Next, verify system specs and drivers so you know whether hardware or software mismatches exist. Once done, run a safe mode or a clean boot to stop background apps from interfering. This narrows the cause quickly. Make sure to note any recent changes, patches, drivers, or configs, because those are often the culprit and guide the next fixes. You now dive into logs. Open engine, application, and system event logs to find stack traces and module names. Once done, reproduce the crash with a minimal workload so you can test fixes reliably. Then apply targeted fixes, roll back or update the GPU driver, adjust memory settings, or change engine config values while testing after each change. Make sure to record which change affected the outcome so you can reverse or document it if needed. You finish by validating stability. Run extended stress or scenario tests for 30 to 60 minutes to confirm the low-level fatal error no longer appears. Once stable, save recovery steps including exact driver versions, config files, and the sequence of fixes so you can reproduce the resolution later. Make sure to create a system restore point or backup. If problems return, enable verbose logging and rerun your minimal reproduction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.